Hi there and welcome back to episode 8 of my cycle trip to the north of the Netherlands. Always keep an eye on the turbines to see which way the wind's blowing, usually into your face. And as mentioned in previous episodes, the various crops, the wheat, the oats, onions, and what other crops? You've got peas, and finally, I think that's oilseed rape, or canola as the Americans call it. Very fertile part of the country. And this was just a short day cycle out from my base, where I've left the tent at the campsite, up to see what I could find. Achtung, Achtung, die, Himmel, Gott im Himmel, I'd be ever so pleased if you could like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to helping grow the channel. Came across a small museum here, but didn't go in. Had the anchors outside. You'll be sad to learn that this is the penultimate episode of my trip, and the final episode will just be my journey south and home. I've enjoyed putting these videos together. Hope you've enjoyed them too. It's been a learning experience, and you'll be surprised at just how long they take to do. It's a very short ride. End of the line's just there. Just come across what looks like a Second World War German anti-aircraft flak battery with a mocked up 88mm gun. There's some information boards down there, so I'm going to have a nosy. And just round over my shoulder here, you can see there's a Dutch litter bin. If you're a cyclist, you just cycle past and chuck your stuff into that big basket on its side. The battery is part of the Atlantic Wall. Here we are down in female. There's an utter blurry photograph of some strapping Germany chaps. And then these are the locations that we're trying to shoot. The bomber streams coming in, so we're just way up in this corner up here, so it's a bit of an afterthought. That's what it looked like from above. It's taken some bomb damage looking at it. You can see here we are in female. This is the Ems. There's Emden there, and further up there's the Kiel Canal, so that's what they would have been protecting, I'd imagine. Yeah, Helmut. I didn't realise that although the general capitulation took place on the 8th of June 1945, these Germans enjoyed fighting so much they didn't give up till June the 11th. You know, it's a month later they're still carrying on. Unbelievable. There's always someone else right over your shoulder, isn't there? Unbelievable.